Hi guys, Joe from Prepper in the Woods, and today we're looking at the Procamptek waxwood. This one here is more of a seasonal item. You know, they have it in stock sometimes they don't. This is the only one I haven't tried yet, so we're gonna give this a go today and see how well it shaves and lights up. So here's how the board looks. I thought that it was going to be a bit more resinous like some of the other products, but this looks like just an ordinary piece of wood. So what we're going to do is I'm going to in Tops Tracker, and let's just see how this shaves a little bit. Seems pretty good. The coloring does go in quite a way. So that's nice. Let's see how that lights. Alright, just going to use my trusty Uber-Lieben ferro rod. Lights up. I probably could add a bit more compact than that. Let's use my spine and my knife. See if we can get some fluff out of this. I'd say that worked pretty well. I have every confidence that that's going to light. There you go. And that was some short scrapes there, you can see. Let's get another square off this. Say about that much maybe. About there. That much. Okay, so you don't need much to split this. But let's try doing it with this one from my last video. This knife is still ridiculously sharp. It's sharper than my Tops one I'm using at the moment. But you can see it's just I'm hardly touching it. And just bites in. I got to change a little bit. Not so much of an angle. Very good knife. I did order the bigger version. I was so impressed with the sharpness of this. This one my girlfriend can use when we do this kind of stuff. Definitely going to the Bushcraft show with it. But yeah, very easy to do. Let's just light this up. Alright, nice and compact. And we'll use the Mad Dog striker this time, which you see in another video. About there. There we go. So still as good as everything else they put out. Procamptek is still one of my favorite fire starters. They do a nice. This is quite a high flame as well. If you can see, so it wouldn't take much of this to start a fire. Split two pieces by hand. I mean, you can see See if I can zoom in. My camera's not awesome at zooming, but the colouring does go through all the way. Easy to feather, easy to split. Lights up pretty easy as well, so yeah, thumbs up for me. So yeah, like it. Like I said, you don't have to carry this massive board, just split it up into whatever you use. It seems to be pretty saturated in whatever the lighting stuff they still use. Like it. I've got this from Bath Bushcraft shop, so I'll put a link to the description box below as well. Let me know what you think about that knife still. I mean, that one is ridiculously used. That's my beat up knife. But again, it's the top grip I like, and that one's just a bit too small, but that's why I ordered a bigger one. But let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Have you tried the Procamptek boards? If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next video.